So today I'm going to show you how to replace the door card lights. So basically what you got to do is you got to take off the door panel. Well, you don't really have to, but if you want to do it right, you should take it off. So there's one Phillips there, one Phillips here, and one T25 right there. So you take the door panel off, and then let me show you here. So this twists out. I was trying to pull it out from the front, and I guess the bulb had been in there so long that it didn't want to come out. So you could basically just pop one side off and, get to the bulb. But I want to take everything apart and look and see and maybe, grease those up and whatnot. So when you get back here, you turn like that. So you already put my new bulb in there. I'll put a link in the description of the bulbs I used. But yeah, those are really good bulbs. This is actually a pretty good upgrade to do on these Jeeps because the OEM lights are so dull, and when you have the LED lights, it literally just gives your Jeep a whole new look. So I hope this helped somebody out today, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.